Hi, and welcome to One Cool Thing, PC Mag's show where we show you one cool thing which we are checking out here at PC Mag. I'm Sasha Segan, and I have here Drew Henson from Seam Technic with a really attractive, interesting new wearable called Lotus. And this looks like, this looks like some kind of magic pendant or something. What does this do?
What this does is it's a personal safety wearable. So it allows me to communicate at the touch of a button to my loved ones and empower them to know what's happening with me when my phone's tucked away. So essentially I can share my GPS location with streaming audio that's coming through the device as well to really empower them to have context about what's happening with me and not just be a pin on a map. In addition to that, it allows me to access my voice assistants, whether it's Siri or Google Assistant on the fly, and I can make hands-free phone calls from the device as well.
So let me start out by being clear about kind of what this is and how it's connected. This is not independently GPSing, right? It's Bluetooth to your phone.
Correct. So it's connected to our Seam Personal Safety app.
And that's an app you guys have already had around?
Yes, so the app's been out for about 3-4 months now.
Okay, what does the app do? If I just wanted to download the app, what could I do?
So the app helps you share context with your situation. So again, above being a pin on a map, you can share where you are, but also what you see and what you hear. Very easily, with up to 5 people, stream it and record it for later retrieval if you want. So say for example, I'm an Uber driver with my phone on my dash, I can flick it on, I can have the peace of mind of knowing that the conversation in my car, if I'm feeling uncomfortable, is being recorded so I can tell my side of the story, snapping some images for me to help give more context to the situation.
Okay, and so this takes it to a place where you may not be able to be holding your phone, you may not have your phone, you might be a cyclist, you might be a runner, something like that, you might be in a dance club. Yeah. You know, I could definitely see somebody wearing this when they're out at night. So what happens, I'm running around at night, I'm wearing this on my wrist, some weird's going on, there's something in the shadows, what do I do?
So what you would do is, give you guys a quick show, is when it's connected, you tap the 2 buttons, the system will go green, and this shows that you're now recording your GPS location with the audio streaming from the device. This is happening just for you, you're not really sharing it at this point in time. If you were to tap the buttons again, it'll go yellow, and now all 5 of my guardians have been notified. They can see where I am, and now they can hear live the conversation through the device. If I'm ever feeling a little bit more unsafe, I can hold down the 2 buttons, easier thing to do under duress. The app will locate which of those 5 guardians is closest to me and make a phone call to them automatically, and that phone call I have through the device hands-free with the built-in microphone and speaker.
And so now the Guardians are people who have also set up the app on their phones?
Correct. So the app is free to download, so there's no penalty to adding somebody because you want to look out for them. But we also say the app's really for the modern family. Any collection of individuals who care about each other, not just the traditional mom, dad, and child anymore. Could be me and my girlfriend, could be a collection of roommates at school who want to look out for each other, could be realtors on a trip together who want to look out for each other in the new city. So it's a really great way to stay connected to those trusted contacts at the touch of a button.
But they at least all have to have smartphones. This isn't for like little kids, right?
No, we target this to be 13 and up, is where we start the age bracket on this. But even more so, we're really targeting people who are on a journey, whether that be an active person running, a cyclist, or I'm walking through the city, or even when I'm traveling to new places around the world. It's a good device to help me stay connected.
And is there a monthly fee associated with this?
So for $129.95, you get the device. It comes with the charging case as well, and you will always be able to connect this to the app for free. But you get a 3 months premium subscription with that price.
And so what does premium get you?
So premium, those logs that are recorded will be saved for up to 3 months versus 24 hours, and you also have the ability to download those recordings for whatever purpose, whether you need evidence or just to tell your side of the story.
Now, how about battery life? How long does this last when you're out and about?
The device lasts for about 5 hours. In standby, it'll be about 6 hours. If you're talking into it fully and using the streaming audio, it'll drop to about 4 hours, 4.5.
And the charging case, how much battery is in this?
About 6 times. So you get 6 times more life with it in the battery about it. So.
Okay, so throughout a day, if I'm, say, out and about all day, do you see me, for instance, wearing this when I'm walking around, and then if I stop for a meeting, I put it in the charging case to replenish itself?
Yeah, so kind of like on your way from A to B, you strap it on, you get your full voice assistant with you, you get the ability to communicate at the touch of a button, get where you're going, pop it back in, and you're assured that when you go home, it's fully charged again.
Now, voice assistant, this is Google Assistant?
Google Assistant and Siri as well.
Okay, depending on your operating system.
Absolutely. So there's two frames in mind. One, when we tap the button, comes up in the beautiful Google colors, and then you can say, what time is it? And it will let you know what time it was.
It's really loud in here.
And Siri works similar ways. So what you can do is tap it, send text messages, call any individual. So we really rely on the mechanical phone calls for more emergency situations. You don't want to have to wait for back and forth with your voice assistant. But if you wanted to call anybody or send a text to anybody, just using your standard voice assistant through the Lotus allows you to do that.
So I could tap it and I could say, send a text to my wife, I'm going to be 15 minutes late.
Absolutely.
And it'll do that.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, these various, I don't know what to call them, wearables, cases. Yeah, do these cost extra? How do you get them?
So these will cost extra. The pricing is to be determined, but we're targeting about $25 US approximately for them. We want to keep them affordable. But the whole point for us is we wanted to ensure we created something that's gender neutral. And when it comes to fashion and wearables, one of the things that hasn't been addressed is making sure people can wear it how they want. There's been a lot of things created that says wear it this one way, and a lot of those devices are now in the drawer because of that.
Yep.
And so what we wanted to say was maybe you want to put it on your wrist because that's where an easy place for you and your application. Because it's so versatile, the wearability needed to be versatile as well. So you can clip it on very easily. It just slides in and it's locked in and good to go. Clip it onto a necklace, clip it onto a bracelet, clip it on anywhere in your clothes, lapel, and it's good to go.
Okay, great. So this is being launched today, right here?
It's being released to the public as information. So the first time we're doing live demos of these product ones.
Okay.
Next July we'll do the pre-release, and we should be fulfilling orders by the end of the month.
So wait, when you say next July,
sorry,
you mean this July?
This July.
We're not talking 2019.
No, we're not talking it. It's right. So
Okay.
we're targeting for a mid-July release, and then we'll be fulfilling orders at the end of July.
And how can people get this where can they look online to get this?
You can go to seamtechnique.com and get all the information there, and it'll be available from our website as well as Amazon stores.
Okay, terrific. So it's Seam Technique, not Seam Technic?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's one of those vernacular things.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the Lotus safety wearable from Seam Technique. It is coming out in July. You can wear it various different ways. It connects via Bluetooth to your phone, and it can transmit your location, also streaming audio to various people, friends, loved ones who you want to be in touch in case you're a little worried, in case you're feeling unsafe wherever you are. Works with the free Seam app, which is currently available on the iOS and Android app stores. Thank you all for watching. This has been One Cool Thing with PCMag.com. We're going to have more cool things on PCMag's YouTube channel, so keep checking back every day.